Let's explore read-only containers. We will learn how making containers read-only can significantly improve their security by preventing unauthorized changes to the file system. Read-only containers are containers whose file systems cannot be modified during runtime. This means that once the container is started, no changes can be made to the files within it. This immutability offers several benefits. The file system is immutable, providing enhanced security and predictable behavior. Read-only containers provide several security benefits. They prevent malware from modifying system files, they guard against unauthorized file modifications, reducing the attack surface, and they meet strict security compliance requirements. You can create read-only containers using either the Docker run command or Docker compose. With the Docker run command, use the read-only flag followed by the image name, like Jinx, Alpine. When using Docker compose, add read_only true under the service definition in your Docker compose file, along with the image name, for example, Jinx, Alpine. Even with read-only containers, applications often need to write data. To handle this, you can use volume mounts or temporary file systems. Volume mounts allow you to map a directory on the host machine to a directory in the container, making the mounted directory writable. To use volume mounts, use the v flag followed by the host path and the container path, along with the read-only flag and the image name, for example, myapp latest. Alternatively, you can use a temporary file system, or TMPFS, which creates a temporary directory in memory. To use a temporary file system, use the TMPFS flag followed by the path to the temporary directory and the RW option to make it readable and writable, along with the read-only flag and the image name, for example, myapp latest. While read-only containers offer enhanced security, they also present some challenges. Applications often need writable directories for log files. Similarly, temporary files and caches typically require write access. Runtime configuration changes become impossible, and embedded databases need persistent storage. To effectively use read-only containers, follow these best practices. Design containers to be stateless from the start. Use specific volume mounts for writable directories, and test read-only mode during development to identify and address any issues early on. In summary, read-only containers enhance security by preventing file system modifications while maintaining application functionality through the strategic use of volumes and temporary file systems. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.